the internal politics. He has decided, say, or Yenya Penny, Alan Kodoche Martin. I respect him. I respect his views. I have a principle. Say, I don't respond to commenter made by people from the other side. When I say other side, I would the internal context.
Your opponents.
Me dem eba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Hwasem and I'm a Beka.
Yeah, but the comment has been made, which probably if you decide not to.
Me person me ne be nya any banter.
No banter, but asemba ultimate.
No, so say a you see where we also say a defupe.
I also enya asema ko beka so defupe.
You see sometimes Eddie. This was the same Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia who a few years ago he was the poster boy.
Poster boy of MP.
There's no government communicator who was not proud to associate with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What changed? And then as Dr. Mahmoud, me say me wo videos of me penny ya Bawumia somewhere. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Hwasem.
Ni power yeah.
And the fact say NDC for Srono. What has changed? He's being referred to say Oyedifube. It's not make us say a internal contest. You we abaye kwakotu ya say you Alan Martin be win you, say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be win you. Say Alan Martin win ya. The next day me better ha the focus is on Alan Martin. Sana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia zu win ya. The next day the focus should be on him. Now catch any so Oyedifube. No win ya. How do you come back to SOMPA and argue a case for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Especially now your party back. You don't have an option. Anything that it would be absolutely wrong. Some are better now. No matter asemetia ira Alan Martin. Absolutely wrong. Papa Penimwa Bonebra, he nearly became the World Trade Organization president. So if I'm campaigning for Alan, I have thousands of positives to speak to and not to dwell on the negative of my opponents. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I'll speak to his positives. I don't remember my votes.
And what are his positives? Let's get there.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the first time in my entire life as a politician, I'm extremely humble.
Use the adjectival word extremely humble to qualify in humility. Why I didn't know who.
Hello, honorable Collins name Sympathy. So hold on, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wants to speak to you. Hey, Vice President, he's the second gentleman of the land. Collins, I want to say, so, Excellency, I'm fine. Do you have time today? I say, yes, sir. Can you meet me at 1 p.m.? Now, I call Papa office. The Vice President. No ordinary atumenim. Said, this is what I want to do. I want to serve in another capacity.
So he called you
personally. I need your help. Just it's humbling.
Say opese obepre adwana ohia mo a
humbling.
Did he do?
Yes.
Did he do same to all?
Speak to most of the members of parliament.
Or no personally.
Mr. Isaac Osei, campaign war.
Isaac Osei, former
Subin.
Former flag bearer.
Former
flag bearer aspirant.
Osei I see vice president person who knows okay me Jariaba.
Isaac Osei to.
Me see Osei for number of in the hall.
Vice president.
Yes.
Eko Isaac Osei fie.
So humble.
Hey.
Che.
I just saw some more vibe here in Tina. Be a
Jamaican say. Osei Editina me say Dr. Bawumia should not make sure. Since 2007, 2008, Dr. Bawumia about into the mainstream political scene. You didn't attempt up to now. Not a single day has he responded. Not a single day has he responded. The level of temperament is unmatched. Mr. Ejuma way, no, you need certain characters, certain traits. Not a single day has he responded. Every day. Who the upper? So radio, go to social media, anywhere you go. Not a single day our responding. His level, the shock absorbers, is unmatched. A presidency in some of the you need somebody with that kind of character. Okay, with Metro TV. Metro TV, yeah, arguments. Then I get a text message. Collins, you are doing well.
From
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay.
Collins, I'm watching you. You are doing well. Me see a humbling.
Enough.
Just say, he comes down to everybody's level. I'm not talking about the academic AU. I'm just talking about traits. As a leader, political leader.
The human relation.
The persona. His character. I don't know, pressure woman. You need somebody with that level of temperament. About Ashanti region, where he be 4 or 5 days. He's not made a single word. About any of the contesting. He doesn't have that time. He's focused on his message. And so then there are 10 aspirants. 10. Every day, there's one particular person who is singled out. Every day. One particular person.
Bawumia say.
Or singled out every day. Insults here, a bonus saying, can say, Onkasa. He's quiet, he's focused. And I keep telling people, this politics here, seasons and times. Timing is everything. Me, you were in 1983. By 1992, I say party. Let me do 7 years.
You was
83. I'll be 40 this year.
We are my officers. We are my officers.
By 1992.
Because I did 50 or something. By
1992, nothing made 9 years.
9 years.
There was no way I would have found
that
member of the party. There was no way.
What do you mean? Yeah, because now that's 9 years. Look,
I can't be a founding member of the party. Fantastic. Actively, active politics from 2001. But in 2020, if you don't have for Obiama, I could know my name Parliament. No, Oman said me a founding member.
Okay.
They looked at my performance, short time on the moment, what I have been able to deliver.
Okay.
Yes.
So you don't need to be a founding member or
a founding member,
council of state member.
A founding member. Praise the Lord. Yeah, that was it. I mean, sure, you held the party at the time that was needed. No doubt about that.
But this crucial
nobody
time.
can take away say penny all the other candidates. What's your story? You can't take it away from Anacha Martin. Young Executive Forum, he can hammer it. He has every right to say it. Because it's a fact. He was a member. Mm-hmm. That's a fact. But I'm saying, sir, that alone is not a guarantee.
And not enough.
It's not a guarantee.
Say.
It's not a guarantee, sir, because someone was not part of the beginning of the journey, that person cannot lead the struggle. It is never so. Side can make me MP that. And can make MP if you that because in my party, say there are people in my constituency who began the struggle. Yes, but I'm leading them in parliament. And in all humility, I think I'm doing my best. It's not necessarily say you have to start from a certain point. What's your Bawumia? Where you are some work? I say, hey, 3-term vice presidential candidate.
And Sana Winya not.
Oka Quarter 2012. Bawumia no one of the petitioners. If anybody tells you, say your victory in 2016 was not premised on what we did in 2013. Quarter. Obi Kacho say our victory in 2016 was not premised on what happened in court in 2013.
That's a old Chemuchi said 2013 the CEO Supreme Court and a boa mama
and one count and one moyen. That person will not be. He's been economical with the truth. You hear yet a committee be a normal friend. Election reforms.
Yeah.
Who was the chair?
Dr.
Mahmoud Bawumia.
For 2013 election.
Yes,
reforms.
after.
Move forward on the 2014.
Yes. In 2016, Apama yene Ghana for coin, which is the manifesto. They call 2016 election the winning. Who was the chair of that committee?
Who was the chair?
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Manifesto.
Yes. Everything we have achieved based on the manifesto, the call, Mahmoud Bawumia was the chair. Now you Bobo, you will coach, you assistant coach, you will players. You say I was the assistant coach, you Pamo.
What's this say?
You Bobo, you will coach, you assistant coach, you will players in the field. No, so we ball 11 trade, we ball 6 agree, we ball 6. Part is all. Ya Bobo, you're saying Asamaba. We don't blame number 6. We don't blame number 11. We don't blame the coach. We blame the advisor.
Yeah, assistant coach.
You are just not being fair. SOMPA FM. Yeah, maybe I'm he's the head of economic management team.
Yeah.
What is economy? Trade. Is it part of economy?
Yeah.
Agri. Is it part of the economy?
Yeah.
Finance. Part of the economy.
Yeah.
Adentina, the successes of trade is not attributed to the head of the economic management team.
Okay.
Adentina, the success of Agri is not attributed to the head of the team.
So on the director of affairs.
Okay.
It is a trade ye there. The cancer monkoye na aye.
I'm coming. So trade ye it is the panel administration also on trade no. That's a success. Yes, sir.
Now that cannot be.
Okay. Why is it that the successes of trade is attributed to somebody? But the bad issues at finance is attributed to the head of the economic management team.
You're asking serious questions.
Me see, the economic management team, it is made up of trade, part of the economic management team, agri, finance, everything is economy.
Factored in.
Okay. And you're head of the economic management team. And when you go for bear, me say, Osha. Why do you pick and choose the successes of one part, which is part of the whole, to one particular person, and not the head? But the ills in one other sector there. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You are just not being fair. Say economy niye, trade is part of the economy, agric is part, all the other any part there. When there's success,
let's all enjoy.
Let's all enjoy.
When there's failure,
let's all bear the consequences. You are just not being fair. You are just not being fair. It's not me, Dr. Bawumia. Occurrence at the end say he has never shy away from the negatives of this government.
You know, free.
Maybe. He's part of it. It's a problem bar. He's part of it. Maybe this will be called radio. So what about inflation cost? I don't blame the person. But while cast inflation cost, you also have to be fair. When cocoa production goes high, you have to be fair. When industry are springing up, you have to be fair. You just have to be fair. But don't pick and choose. Don't pick and choose.
They are picking and choosing.
Oh, so it's a radio. They heard TV, they go social media.
I remember not recently, not long ago, Alan stated, say, initiative on cassava.
That was President Kufuor's time.
Yes. This government, he introduces IMF.
I'm saying, you can't take it away from Mr. Chematin. Say, industries are springing up. You can't take it away from him. You can never take it away from it. Wayebi. You can't take it away from him. He was a minister of trade.
Okay.
It is a car factory, assembling plant. You can never take it away from him. He can say
he was industrious in that sphere.
It is one of his successes. There's no doubt about it.
Okay.
But what Oka said is part of it, no, and the successes, no. Who is the head of the team? Our managing all these processes.
That's the
point I'm making. So let's all collectively accept,
enjoy and take the backlash.
Yes, but it's unfair. It's a problem, yeah, but in a certain part of the economy, you know. And then we should blame one particular person.
Okay,
I
get your line.
It's unfair. It's totally unfair.
But it's a statement, sir. He spoke too much. Probably he jumped the gun on the issue of dollar, on the issue of exchange rates. Will expose you if your parameters and your figures and well. And they it looks as if say atitia pansam.
Okay.
How do you address that?
At the time, Dr. Bawumia video. The dignitaries were clapping.
Maybe at that time they had belief in him.
So now they don't have belief in him. Now they don't believe him. They don't trust him.
He has a magic wand. And this time around, he said, oh, yeah, Jini Diba Amfa.
They be we never be the COVID on Sunday. Wow. When I hear, the economy now, your finance committee. Then a meeting. They gave us the cards. I say, members, Arabia by a friend of COVID. There were two major effects. SOMPA FM. There's a financial aspect of it, and there's a health. Financial, they say, Ghana henina a tax revenue. They be a GGSika ina 2 towns contribute 94%. Kumasi Accra. Yare na aban. It's not an airport, no. Ewa Accra, no. Na yare no fit outside Neban. The rate at which air spread the Accra, it is increasing at a speed. Bia, someone share ya in the Pabu. Choose one. Forgo your revenues or die. So your president, had a loneliness.
Yeah.
experts ni be din komo ni nyina akire wi a no bi akofie
account
Mr. President,
when obey the HD.
whilst the financial people are telling the president, so now shut Accra, now shut Kumasi, now to Port, now close to all
Borders.
the tourism projects. Revenue now also Ubenya Abia 120 billion, Ubenya 80. So, Mr. President, this is the scenario. This is the economic effect. Of you are not helped for another. Mr. President, so no one to Accra and Kumasi. No one close to borders. No one ship, baby, and yes, can you one close here?
You.
What's na Accra? Nipe be ultimate. Na President called them. Kobompa and they say, save lives. You deal with the economy later. Inti President by fellow Ghanaians. Minim say economy no will shut down. This is what the economics are telling me.
And this is what the health.
This is what the health people are telling me. I have taken a decision. The decision, they say, I am prepared to save lives. Shut down the economy. Nyaminti will bounce back. So if anybody turn around on the basis of this decision which was taken in cabinet, knowing the implications of this decision, and you turn around to blame one person, you are just not being fair.
John Name economy.
You are not being fair.
Okay.
You are just not being fair. This is the effect of your decision. So, okay, say, and you know the funny thing, your economy is so 70% informal. Thank you. It's President. Oh, shut it down, Kumasi Akre. So once your revenue is dropping, your expenditure is going high. Mr. President, are you prepared for this economic issue? I say, no problem. Let my people live. Forget the economy. We will bounce back later. A decision taken in cabinet. How do you blame one person? Why? Why? It not make us say, here Bawumia, he has a tolerance level. The tolerance level is incredible. It's there's a few things. I mean, say, and then subsequently, we can continue.